My trip to Southeast Asia was an absolute dream from start to finish. I feel like I've just woken up from the most colorful, exciting, and heartwarming experience of my life. Every single day was packed with fun, discovery, and countless moments of pure joy. I had the incredible privilege of meeting some of the kindest people I have ever known, whose smiles were as warm as the tropical sun. I tasted food so delicious and vibrant that it felt like a celebration with every bite. The landscapes were breathtaking, from ancient temples that seemed to touch the sky, to beaches so perfect they looked like a postcard. I want to tell you all about it, to share the magic of this journey with you. Imagine stepping into a world where everything is brighter, bolder, and full of life. That's what it felt like for me. From neon-lit streets to the soft lap of waves on a secluded shore, each place had its own rhythm. And I was captivated. My journey began in the incredible country of Thailand, and my first stop was the vibrant, sprawling city of Bangkok. From the moment I arrived, the city felt alive with an electric energy. The streets were a dazzling spectacle of bright lights, towering buildings, and endless streams of tuk-tuks. I stayed in a small guest house near the river, perfect for exploring. My first big outing was the magnificent Grand Palace, its intricate gold glittering in the heat. The detailed carvings and soaring spires were beyond anything I imagined. A long-tail boat ride revealed stilted wooden homes beside modern skyscrapers. I dove into the food. Pad Thai sweet, sour and spicy in perfect balance. Mango sticky rice quickly became an obsession. After Bangkok's rush, Chiang Mai felt calm, green, and wonderfully relaxed. I wandered old city walls, found hidden courtyards, and joined a Thai cooking class. Making green curry from scratch, unreal aromas, and the joy of eating my own dish. A simple afternoon on a rooftop cafe became my favorite Chiang Mai memory. On the islands, I swam over reefs, lazed in hammocks, and watched sky-painting sunsets. Peace, happiness. Thailand stole my heart. Next, I landed in Hanoi, where the old quarter swept me into a whirlwind of activity. The streets buzzed, families navigating the charming chaos. I stayed in a tiny hotel with a balcony, perfect for people watching. Around Hoan Kiem, musicians played and shopkeepers called warmly. Mornings began with pho, warm, fragrant, comforting. The pinnacle was Ha Long Bay, otherworldly limestone cliffs in emerald waters. Sleeping under a blanket of stars with only water sounds, unforgettable. Hoi An's lantern glow created a magical, dreamlike atmosphere. I cycled past neon green paddies and had a colorful dress made. A gentle spirit made me feel instantly at home. Vietnam was a tapestry of serenity, flavor, and soul. It was a truly special part of my journey. From Vietnam, I flew to Cambodia. Resilient, powerful, unforgettable. I watched Angkor Wat at dawn. Deep purple melting into brilliant gold. Carvings told stories of gods and ancient battles. Bayan's serene faces and Ta Prome's tree-wrapped walls left me humbled. I reflected on Cambodia's recent difficult history. Markets brimmed with life. Fresh fruit, handmade crafts, fragrant spices. I bought a hand-woven scarf. Amok, creamy, aromatic, was unlike anything I'd tasted. Then Laos, where mornings glow with monks collecting alms. Quiet, moving, profound. A slow boat on the Mekong reset my pace to gentle. Kwangsi's limestone cascades and cool turquoise pools were pure refreshment. Laos taught me to slow down, breathe, and cherish quiet beauty. Back to a metropolis, Kuala Lumpur. Dazzling contrasts and the iconic Petronas Twin Towers. From the Sky Bridge, the entire city unfolded. Buildings, parks, highways. I wandered Chinatown, tasting savory satay and sweet pastries. In Penang, I feasted on char kway teow and asam laksa, and hunted Ernest Zakharevich's murals. A warm, multilingual melting pot welcomed me. Singapore felt immaculate, clean, green, and utterly modern. The super trees mesmerized me, especially the evening light and sound show. Hawker centers were foodie heaven. Chili crab, satay skewers, bliss. I loved how tech and nature blend so beautifully here. Two cities, two vibes, both unforgettable. Indonesia called. Bali's magic was instant, warm and welcoming. In Ubud, the Tegalalang terraces carved luminous green ribbons through the hills. I watched artists create paintings, sculptures, and intricate crafts. Traditional dance, colorful costumes, and precise movements told ancient stories. Nasi goreng by a lotus pond. Simple, perfect. Seminyak brought lively beach clubs, surfers, and coconut sips in the sun. Sunsets painted the sky in blazing orange, pink, and purple. A day in Jakarta contrasted Ubud's calm with grand malls and Dutch-era streets. People were eager to chat, and the street food had the perfect kick. Thousands of islands. I only saw a fraction, and I can't wait to return. The Philippines blessed me with beaches beyond belief. From El Nido, island hopping unveiled lagoons, powder white sands, and vivid reefs. I swam for hours in warm, calm waters among bright coral and fish. Boracay balanced chill and thrill, paddleboarding by day, buzzing beachfront by night. What stood out most? The warmth of the people, and English made connecting easy. I made a quick visit to Myanmar. Bagan at sunrise, dotted with balloons, was pure magic. A timeless moment that felt like stepping inside a legend. Looking back, the food and people were as important as the sights. Southeast Asia fed my eyes and my taste buds daily. I tried everything, never disappointed. From pho to spicy curries to grilled satay, every meal was a discovery. Mangoes, pineapples, papayas, dragon fruit, sweet, juicy, tropical bursts. I loved the heat and the coconut sweet sticky desserts. My fondest meals were on tiny stools, noodles in hand, city buzzing around me. Kindness is a universal language. Smiles go far. A few words, hello, thank you, opened so many doors. Shopkeepers, boat drivers, guest house owners, genuine warmth everywhere. Evenings meant stories, mishaps, and hidden gem tips with new friends from around the globe. Hey everyone! I hope you are enjoying my Southeast Asia adventures. Please check out the travel links I have added in the description below. It helps my channel and hopefully there will be some bargains for you to find. My whirlwind through Southeast Asia was more fun, colorful, and delicious than I imagined. I felt brave in new cities and blissful on quiet beaches. The small, simple moments made the biggest impact. Final tips. Pack light, wear comfy shoes, try the street food, learn a few words, and dress modestly at temples. Keep an open mind, smile often, embrace the unexpected. This region will awaken your senses. You'll find islands, cities, temples, waterfalls, something for every traveler. Consider this my warm invitation. Southeast Asia will welcome you. Go find your favorite moments. Create your own stories. Make memories that last a lifetime. The adventure is waiting. I promise, you'll never, ever forget it. Go and explore.